Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a yummy chocolate rice crisp treat with you all. Instant pot rice crisp is hard to resist. The taste is so good and they are easy to make. This rice recipe is best because it needs only few ingredients, it's thick and chewy. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make chocolate rice crisps in the Instant Pot. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. Turn on the saute mode in normal. Add butter. You can use salted or unsalted butter. Once the butter is all melted, add marshmallows. Let it melt. Try to use the fresh marshmallows. Don't use the one which is sitting there in the pantry for a long time. Turn off the saute mode. If you are using the unsalted butter, add a pinch of salt. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a mix. Add any brand of Rice Krispie cereal, or if you have a puffed rice, you can use that too. Just make sure that it is fresh. Give it a mix. This is completely optional. If you like chocolate flavor, add chocolate of your choice. If you don't want chocolate, just make it plain Rice Krispies. Take out the inner pot. Make sure to combine it well. Line a 9-inch square baking dish with parchment paper. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking dish. Press gently with your fingertips or use a spatula just until completely spread out. The harder you pack them in, the harder they are to eat. Allow setting about 1 hour. After an hour, transfer them into the chopping board. Trim off the edges. Make sure to grease the knife. You can cut them in any shapes of your choice. If you want, you can make it in a round shape as well. Look at that chewy gooey Rice Krispie is ready. Enjoy it. Store in an airtight container for 2 days in the room temperature. Do not refrigerate or freeze it. As a result, marshmallows become so hard. Do try these crispy and gooey Rice Krispie treats in the Instant Pot. Enjoy it with your family. It's perfect for the trick-or-treating too. Happy Halloween to everyone. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.